front of me is Oppo Reno 8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple Layout on this Android smartphone. Start by opening Play Store and tapping on the search bar. Now you need to type in iOS Launcher and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now wait for the pop-ups to show up, and when they do, choose while using the app and allow in all of them. Then select Home button. Now you need to click on iOS Launcher. Tap on iOS Launcher again, click on Got It, and as you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my device. But you can always go into Settings, click on Apps and Notifications over here, Then select Default Apps over here and tap on Home app. In order to go back to your system launcher, just click on it. If you wish to apply iOS one, just tap on iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!